Welcome to Borneo Schematics, the global repair standard trusted by elite technicians worldwide. Let's walk through the quick and easy installation process to get your workbench up and running. First, locate your downloaded Borneo installer zip file on your desktop. Right-click and extract the files. Once extracted, right-click the installer icon and select Run as Administrator to begin. When the product warranty policy window appears, review the terms and click Continue. Next, click on the Install Latest Version button to initiate the setup wizard. The installer will automatically download and set up the necessary core components, including the Microsoft Edge WebView to runtime. Sit back for a few moments while the progress bar completes. Next, the OpenVPN setup prompt will appear. Simply click Install Now and let the system configure the required network drivers. Once the installation is complete, click Close. And you are all set. Click OK on the final system notification. Borneo Schematics is now successfully installed on your PC. Welcome to the ultimate hardware database.